What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Banban from the Garden of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, and all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So line up the top, bring that down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye for the pupil. So we start on the left, all the way around, and then up, and do the same size circle on the right. And add a small circle in the center, and we'll fill the outside area in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We'll start directly underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, and we'll bend that up towards the right. Let's round out the top of the mouth, come around and bend that down. And then on the right side, we're going to curve the bottom of the mouth, going down and then in towards the center of the page towards the tongue. Now from here, we're going to curve the top of the tongue, going up and then around. Bring that down and back in towards the tip of the tongue. Let's round out the tip and pull this up and in towards the inside of the tongue. And go back to the left side and curve the rest of the mouth coming back in towards the side of the tongue. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Let's go to the top of the head and draw a curve in between the horns. We'll start over on the left side, bend this down in the middle, round this out, and go back up on the right. Now I place those party hats on top of those horns. So on the left side, I'm going to step in, curve this up, and then bend that down towards the outside. Line this up on the right, going up, and then down. Now on the left side, we're going to step in, curve the side of the head. We're going to go out, and then bend that down towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side, step in, do the same thing. Going out, and we'll bring that down towards the same height. Let's wrap those cones around the horns. So starting on the left, round this out, and pull that in. We'll round up the inside, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the side, we're going to go all the way up and in towards the tip of those cones. So we'll start on the left. We'll go up, just bend that in, and bring that all the way down towards the inside. Now inside the cones, we're going to add some curved stripes. So let's start on the bottom left, bend this down and in. Step up. Now I just want to repeat this all the way up towards the top. Now on the right side, we're going to start from the very top and curve this down and in. Let's add some tassels along the top. Starting from the left, go up, come down, and then bend that out. Let's go back up to the tip and do the same thing along the inside, going up, down, and in. Let's flatten off the end coming in. I'm just going to follow that curve and just taper that up towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing to the rest of those tassels. Let's add a couple more along the inside, and around, and then down. And flattening off the bottom, and then just tapering up towards the top. And now we're going to move down and draw on the outside of the arm. On the left side of the head, let's step up, curve the arm going out, bring that down. I'm just going to hook that in across the wrist. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, bring the arm coming down, and let's hook that in. Let's add that little nub along the bottom of the hand. We're going to step out, curve this down, and then bend that up. From the inside of that nub, let's step out, curve the arm coming in, up, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to line up at the bottom edge of the nub, step in towards the center and add a curve, going up, and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, go up, round out the foot, and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now to close off the outside of the leg, let's start from this curve, come straight down, and then bend that in on top of the foot, line that up on the right side. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Banban. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.